Right, hi, welcome. We're just going to have a little look here at additional bracing before before any of the floor gets cut out. So obviously you might have seen before the bracing that we've made for the bulkhead here. What I'm thinking of doing is just tying this to the floor, which will stop the tunnel from dropping at all when we remove various parts and disconnect the bulkhead there. And also I'm thinking we will go across the car at the back here, just there above above the inner sill, so it won't be involving the inner sill. So we're just going to go onto here, across to that side. I've got a really rusty old piece of metal, but it should clean up alright to weld on there and that'll be fine. Right, let me get that cut. I'm just trimming the end off this. Said it was really rusty. I need to tidy it up slightly. So we'll just get the rust off the end here. We'll be able to make a weld on there. Nice and snug in there. So yeah, that bar across there, we'll have to weld that in, and then and then this bit, which I found different from the piece I was looking for, but that bit can go in there and that will hold the floor up to this bar on the tunnel there. Right, just getting set up over here on this bar. We'll get a little tack weld in there while I'm holding you. I have to move the welder to get around to that side. Just a quick thing actually, I was going to show you. Anyone who thinks you don't necessarily need to wear a face mask when you're grinding, I'll just show you this. Look at all that iron filing. It's just piled up on the floor here. Absolutely tons of it. So yeah, that'll probably do for today. Cheers guys.